Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a 1968 Mustang Fastback. Got the owner here, who's going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
Good.
Pretty car, bro.
Yeah, I knew the owner that bought it originally. He's actually an old guy. The first car he had was a 67 Mustang with a 390 in it. And he thought it was too fast for himself. So his family told him that he should trade it in and get a 289 automatic.
Okay.
So he did. The guy lived down the block from where I live. When I got the car, it was kind of a mess. I ended up redoing everything.
Paint, interior, right? The whole thing, huh?
Everything. Paint, interior, motor, transmission.
Wow.
Suspension, brakes. I have a lot of money into the car.
I bet.
But I did the whole thing up, and when I got finished with it, I thought, wow, I'm afraid to drive it, so I ended up buying another one, and I had it kind of sitting in the garage a lot. But I really like the car. It is an automatic. I always like the 4-speed a little bit more, but it's a very easy car to drive. The motor's been upgraded just a little bit when it was
mild cam,
but it's mild cam. The original block, pretty much everything is original on it. I mean, as far as the engine and the drivetrain goes. Had extensive body work and frame rails and all kinds of stuff like that. But it came out really good, and it's a fun car to drive. And you know, plus I said I've known it since I was a little kid when I first saw the car. I think I was 12 or 13 years old.
So you're really the second owner, huh?
I am definitely the second owner.
Wow, how cool.
Yeah. But,
man, so as a kid, this thing was running around the neighborhood. You remember it?
I remember seeing it when I was 54, and it's 68, so I guess I was 14 years old. But I remember thinking that's a really cool car.
Sure, of course.
And it, you know, years and years later, I ended up getting it, and
very cool.
Like I said, it needed a lot of work, but I enjoyed doing it, and I did a lot myself. I had some of it, other people do it for me.
How long have you owned it?
25 years.
25 years, jeez. Paint is gorgeous. How many miles do you think you have on the resto?
Very few. I can tell you exactly a little bit because I have a tag inside of when it was done. I would say probably less than 500.
Wow.
I mean, maybe more than
200-300 miles on the restoration. Awesome. $289 under the hood. Power steering. You can see how fresh it is. Nice car. $66,934. Custom stereo, custom speakers. Motor's been upgraded a little bit, not much, just a mild cam. Full down rear seat. Got a great sound to it. He's also selling the Acapulco blue one, so that'll be listed as well, and the 67 Corvette. And this car is awesome. Can we buzz it around the block? course. Comfortable car. Love it. Couple hundred miles on this one.
I can tell you actually exactly if I looked.
Okay.
It's got said 66.9 on it, but I can tell you exactly when it got redone because I have it written down.
Very cool.
When the transmission got redone, they put a shift kit in it too, so
good.
it's kind of a short shift if you want it to be. Woohoo!
Got some juice to it. Comfortable ride too.
It is really, it's like a new car almost.
Yeah, not squeaky or rattly or nothing. Super nice. Love it. Got radials on here or polys?
Regular poly, Firestone, wide oval.
Okay. They had a great look to them.
Everybody always says put radials on it, but I just always like the original.
Yeah, me too. I love the original. You don't even drive it much, so why not?
Really not.
Looks great with the wide ovals. Very cool. Well, thanks for joining us today, guys. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's webeautos.com. Thanks a lot and have a great day.